again to Sailing Te Amo. It's our second episode. If you caught our first episode, you saw our first big adventure over to Catalina Island. In the process of that trip, we had a couple little fouls, one of which was our jib, or Genoa. And today we're going to work on replacing that. We looked at having it repaired. It was about $600. Unfortunately, stashed away in one of our closets, we found a couple smaller versions of that. So don't judge me too much if all my terminology isn't correct. So those of you who've been following the blog, you understand that this is a new adventure and we're learning as we go. So today we're going to replace the jib, and we have most of the stuff we need. We're on Te Amo here today. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to replace a couple of the lines, and we're going to switch out the cable furling line, and we're going to put up a new sail. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. This line here, we'll attach it to the top. This side will attach the bottom. And then this line here, called our sheets, will attach to the other part of the sail. So let's see if we can get that sail raised up. The learning moment for today: when all else fails and mistakes are made and things are done backwards and not working right, there's only one thing to do: go sailing. Let's get out of here.